So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you can click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between this Bissell and this Dupray steam cleaner. So the Dupray does have a bigger quantity of water you can put into it, and it does put out a lot of steam. Be careful, that is really hot. So it's going to last a lot longer. I got a nice big hose here. It rolls around. Nice big switch to turn it on and off. The Bissell, little handheld thing. It's got a little light to let me know that when it's ready. It makes a lot of steam. I can put an extra handle. I can put this flexible hose on here. I can put this little window cleaner on here and some different types of brushes. For some really hard spot cleaning, I can put this pointed nozzle. Whoops, make sure this is on and turned. Same with over here on the Dupray. I can put this nice extension on here. I can do some floor cleaning. This is a 3-foot long. Comes with a 12-foot long cord. Again, it rolls around really nice. Has a nice handle for carrying it. I can put this on here. I got these pads. And I can clean my kitchen floor. Puts a lot of steam. But the main thing between the two is portability. The Bissell, you're not going to hold as much water, so the steam it's going to produce is about 10 minutes, where this one is about almost an hour long of steam cleaning. We've got different attachments here we can put on. We got these little cleaners here. Clean some grout. I can also lock the handle on. So if I want to keep it on steam, I can lock it on. Over here on the Bissell, I cannot do that, but I can put different cleaners on it also. Let's put the let's put the window cleaner on it. Here's where you're going to open up the putting the water in here is kind of tricky. It's kind of hard. You do have to use the container. The container that comes with it has a max line on it, and it has a little spout to help you fill it in there. This one's got a nice funnel that's built into the lid. So you just take this off after you let the steam out. Take that off. You can pour water right here. It's all going to be funneled right into where it needs to go. Again, nice handle. It rolls. Has a 7-foot long hose. You know, I can keep this on the floor and I can go do a lot of cleaning in a lot of different places. So I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're going to definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.